and make this also something solid. See, when you're mixing, it becomes like this. But we have to make sure it is entirely white, only then it will dry hard. Okay, so I have made this. Still we can see some lines, but this is almost done. Okay. So now after doing this much, I'm going to break a little clay and put it on the shape. If you have a Fevicol like this, you can use it also to make sure it never breaks. You just have to put a tiny drop of Fevicol on the apple and then place the clay in the shape of apple. बट आपका शेप एकदम से नहीं आ जाएगा, सो आपको इसको प्रेस करके एप्पल की शेप में लेके आना है. Okay, you need to use some toothpicks. You can use some toothpicks to cut the extra part from the shape, and then clean the edges. You can take some water also, some tiny drops of water, and clean the surface. Water हमें ज़्यादा नहीं लेना. We need to take very little water to just clean the surface, clean the edges. आप एक्स्ट्रा टूथपिक से निकाल सकते हैं. And you can see this is kind of a shape of apple. Similarly, I will be making it in the shape of pineapple and mango. First we'll put some Fevicol, and then we're already molding the structure in the shape of a mango. And we'll keep it here on the shape. This looks a little big. I need to make it small.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, bed is मैं ये जो ये स्पेस है उस पर बेरीज क्या डाल सकती हूँ? बेरीज
We need to make only 3 fruits so that it doesn't look congested. So if you want to eliminate any other fruit and make another fruit, आप 3 ही fruits बनाएंगे, ज्यादा बनाने से थोड़ा congested हो जाएगा, ठीक है? We don't want that.
ओके मैम.
So this is somewhat the shape of mango, and we'll make a little thin thing like this. So it almost looks like the shape of a mango only. Okay, now we'll make it neater. We can use a little of bit of water on the top to give it a neat finish. आप फिनिशिंग के लिए टूथपिक भी यूज कर सकते हैं. यू कैन क्लीन द एजेस, मेक देम सॉफ्ट. आपको थोड़ा डिजाइन देने हैं तो आप दे सकते हैं विद द टूथपिक. Like the fruits have a little design, not the design but a little mark here because of the stem, so you can give that. Okay, next we have is pineapple, and for that we just need a oval shape slice. We have to make the shape oval only so the extra part can come out. You can make it with your hand, you can cut the extra part with your hand. And so this is the oval shape. You can clean it, clean the edges like this. And with the toothpick, you can give some lines like this. Okay. If you have some queries, you can write in the comments. I will answer to those while our clay dries. Everybody please turn off your mics. If you have a query, write it in the comments or ask. So for leaves part, you can make small leaves like this. Like I am going to give to my pineapple after applying Fevicol here. and then add another 2 leaves. So we take this much clay only because this is a small size work project. We'll add another leaf here. Like this. And another leaf here. Okay. And with very little water, we are going to make sure that these are all in a fine shape. And you can put some dots on the leaves or make some lines with the toothpick. So basically this clay dries in about 20-30 minutes. That is why I have shown you a quick demo, because this will take a little time to dry. For the other fruits, apple and banana, you can make a small tiny stem or simply add leaves to the top of them. This is the stem and this is the leaf. We can add the veins of the leaf with the toothpick. Like this, if you can see. जो भी आपको करना है, you have to do it in these 20 minutes before the clay dries. Otherwise, once it is dried, उस पे कोई भी effect नहीं आ सकता. Making another leaf for the apple and giving it also some veins. So this way I have completed all the fruits. And we can neaten this with the water. And make all the desired shapes look neat in appearance. Okay, and now we will give this a little time to dry also. In the meantime, I have a very little clay left. I will make a heart out of it, for I love fruits. Just for the love, okay? Heart. I heart fruits. So you can see how easily I can make different shapes from this clay. Okay, and I have made a heart out of that little part of clay. So we will let the shapes dry. In the meantime, if you have some queries, you can ask me. You can write in the comments. We will also wait for uh, 5 to 6 minutes for this to settle and dry properly. The rest of the clay, please pack it properly in these wrappers, otherwise it will get waste. And once both the clays are mixed, it will dry in about 20 minutes. So make something out of these before they dry. Okay, so now I will take my paints out, whereas you can all complete your works if you're doing along with me. You need some brushes like these. So you need some brushes like these, okay, for the coloring process. In the meanwhile, I will color my base. I will not color the Shilpkar, but I will color the base with some color. We can make it white first. We can color the base with a white color first so that it is easy for the other colors to come on it. My clay is not dry, but I need to complete and show you. But you can wait for the fridge magnet to dry and then you can start coloring. I'm also coloring the fruits with a white color so that the color, next color is easy and looks more brighter when it is applied on it. We have to always give a white color coat whenever we work with this clay. For the base color, I am going to use sky blue color. You can use any color you want. make sure that the color only comes on the background, the wood cardboard part, and not on the clay. So we have colored the base. You can give any kind of border that you want on the sides, though I will go for a simple border only. And you can leave it without border as well. You can let the base dry first and give a simple white border near the sides. Now I'm gonna color the pineapple with the yellow color. I am using golden yellow color for the pineapple. Like this. For the apple, I will be using a red color. You can see I have changed my brush. I am using a small brush for the small fruits. For the apple, we are using red color. We can also give some slight shading with the yellow or the green for the apples. Some slight orange. And you can also color the heart with the red color. Now only. And next we will do the mango. For mango, you can take lemon yellow color as the base color. Like this. Also make sure you are painting on the sides as well. Okay. And we can add a little yellow or red as well as green to our mango, because we know that mangoes come with a little color differences and are of different types. So very little shading we can do. For the leaves, we are using green color. But if you want to do shading, you can take one light green and other dark green. So I'll use these two colors. One is light and other is dark to make the leaves. like this. Now with the black color, I'm going to write I love fruits. I will outline the heart with the black line. Love.
Ma'am.
Yes, Rishita.
Ma'am, this is Rishita. This is Dia.
Okay, yes, Diya.
You love fruits.
Yeah, I love fruits.
Ma'am, I have also love fruits. I am Rishita.
Okay, very good. So I love fruits. I have written like that. And I am going to add some black lines to define, add veins to the leaf. Okay, so you can also neaten your fruits by giving them proper outlines. So when your paints are dry, since mine is not dry, I cannot attach googly eyes right now, but I will tell you how to put and where to put. So these are the points. You can attach googly eyes here. If If I attach these googly eyes now, they can spoil the clay, so I will not take the risk. But these are the points. You can attach your googly eyes here with the Fevicol once your work dries. And we will be making a little smile of the fruits with the black color. Like this. And give a white outline at the border of the coaster, sorry, fridge magnet. My work is not dry, so some of the things are done better with the drying. The blue color is not dry as much, so it's mixing with the white. Also, the clay is not dry, so I cannot attach googly eyes. But at these black spaces, once your clay gets dried, please attach googly eyes near it, on it, with a Fevicol. You can put a fridge magnet behind your cardboard, and your fridge magnet of I love fruits is ready. I hope you liked the class. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have a query, you can ask me right now, or I'll wind up the class. You can send your works in the group of My Kids Drawing or to the My Kids Drawing team, or if you have my number, you can send it directly to me. Also participate in different My Kids Drawing competitions, as well as you can upload your artworks in My Kids Drawing, and you can select my name as the educator or the teacher there. If you have any query right now, you can ask me.
No, ma'am.
Okay, I hope you enjoyed the class.
Very enjoyed.
Okay, very good. You can complete your artworks and send in the group. If you have a query, you can ask me.
No, ma'am. No queries.
Also, you can make different fridge magnets by cutting your cardboard bases in different shapes like this. Okay. And you can join the regular classes of My Kids Drawing where I will be teaching you more stuff. There are some similar artworks like this, a Halloween fridge magnet or another fridge magnet like a donut. See, I have attached a magnet behind its back. See, so there are similar artworks like this. I have created some jewelry pieces, some earrings with the same technique. Some necklaces. These are all with the same work style. So this is a necklace. It's all done with this. These are unbreakable and these can be worn as final pieces of jewelry. See, this is a zebra pendant, zebra necklace. So we can make different style of artworks with the same technique. You can check my page on Instagram as well as Facebook. The page goes by the name Art for Every House. My name is Raghini Kapoor and you can find it on Instagram as well as Facebook. You can join the regular classes and keep attending more workshops with My Kids Drawing and me. I will wind up today's class. I hope you liked it. Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Bye.